First, remove the original monitor. And then unplug the power line and LVDS line. Now take out the adapter cable and connect it to the original monitor. Finally, insert the LVDS cable. Now let's connect the AUX activator. Then start the ignition and turn on the car monitor. Now we can see that the original car monitor does not activate the AUX function. Press and hold the switch on the AUX activator for 3 seconds, until the red light comes on. At this time, the original car display will be powered off and restarted. After restarting the monitor, we will see that the AUDL0 AUX option has been added to the menu, which indicates that the AUX function of the original monitor has been activated. After successful activation, do not remove the activator, turn off the vehicle, and lock it after 15 minutes. Disconnect the negative battery terminal of the car, and wait for 1 minute. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and restart the car. The AUX audio menu will be displayed permanently. Now we can use the mobile phone to play music by connecting to the mobile phone through those cable. Unplug the AUX cable and connect to the mobile phone. The music will continue to play. At this point, you can confirm that the AUX function is activated.
You have to show them that you're really not scared. You're playing.
This video demonstrates how to correctly connect the 3 terminal plugs to the ISO power line of the original vehicle during the installation of AUX activator. This is the ISO arm of the original car. Here is the terminal socket, where we need to insert 3 terminal plugs. It will be very difficult to insert the terminals directly. At this time, we need to first remove the small plug in the ISO plug. First, press and hold the buckle under the plug to pull out the plug. After pulling out the plug, you can see that there is a protective shell outside the plug. Press and hold the small buckle on the protective shell to remove the protective shell. After removing the plug and protective shell through the previous 2 steps, it is very easy to insert 3 terminal plugs. Then just insert the 3 terminal plugs in sequence, according to the figure, and finally restore the ISO plug of the original vehicle for the next installation step.